remaining portion of nationalism in India. Today we will be discussing about Khilafat movement, which was started by Ali brothers, मोहम्मद अली एंड शौकत अली. इसको स्टार्ट इसलिए किया गया था क्योंकि ओटोमन एम्पायर जो टर्की में था उसको ब्रिटिश ने फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में डिफीट कर दिया था, और जो ओटोमन एम्परर था वो इस्लामिक वर्ल्ड का स्पिरिचुअल लीडर माना जाता था, जिसके ऊपर ब्रिटिश ने बहुत हार्श ट्रीटी इम्पोज की थी. In order to oppose this harshness, a Khilafat committee was formed in March 1919 in Bombay by these two Ali brothers. गांधी जी took benefit of this opportunity. उनको लगा कि इस समय उनको हिंदूज़ और मुस्लिम को इकट्ठा लाके एक बड़ी मूवमेंट इंडिया में चलानी चाहिए. So he convinced other leaders to start a non-cooperation movement in support of Khilafat and Swaraj in Congress session September 1920, which was held in Calcutta. Let's discuss non-cooperation movement, which was started by Mahatma Gandhi ji. In his book हिंद स्वराज, गांधी जी ने ये लिखा था कि भारत में ब्रिटिश रूल इंडियन के कॉपरेशन की वजह से इस्टेब्लिश हुआ है. अगर इंडियंस ये कॉपरेशन करना बंद कर दे तो ब्रिटिश रूल इंडिया में विद इन 1 year कोलैप्स हो जाएगा और स्वराज वुड कम. National Cooperation Program was adopted at Nagpur in December 1920. इस मूवमेंट के अंदर लोगों को कहा गया कि they have to surrender their titles given by the British government, boycott of civil services, army, police, courts, etc., and no use of foreign goods. Next subtopic is differing strands within the movement. Non-cooperation. Khilafat began in Jan 1921. Various social groups participated, to whom Swaraj meant different things to different people. First of all, we will discuss about movement in the town. Here middle class people participated. In the cities, students left government controlled schools and colleges. Headmaster and teachers resigned. Lawyers gave up legal practices. Council elections boycotted except Madras. Boycott of foreign goods. Liquor shops picketed. Foreign cloth burned. Merchants and traders refused to trade in foreign goods and finance foreign trade. Indian textiles and handlooms lifted up. Economic effects of NCM, or why did this movement slow down, or failure of NCM? Khadi was more expensive, which poor people could not afford to buy. No alternative Indian institutions were there. Students and teachers joined the government school. Lawyers joined in government. Picket means blocking the entrance to a shop, factory or office. Movement in the countrysides. Here peasants and tribals participated in it. Let's first take example of Awadh. Baba Ramchandra, a sannyasi, started movement against landlords and their ill practices. In June 1920, Jawaharlal Nehru met the peasants to hear their grievances. October, Awadh Kisan Sabha was formed and headed by Nehru. Gandhi ji declared no taxes to be paid and land to be distributed among poor. Tribal peasants interpreted the message of Gandhi and idea of Swaraj in another way. Gudam Hills of Andhra Pradesh, where militant guerrilla movement was started in the early 1920s. Because they were prohibited from entering the forest to graze their cattle or to collect fuel wood and fruits. These people revolted and attacked police station, attempted to kill British officials. Swaraj in the plantations. Workers in Assam were not permitted to leave tea gardens without permission, according to Inland Immigration Act 1859. According to these people, Swaraj meant right to move freely in and out of the restricted area, retaining a link with their village and everyone getting land in their villages. Finally, Gandhi ji called off national cooperation movement due to violent activities at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur, UP, Feb 1922. Swaraj Party. This party was formed in Jan 1923 by C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. Aim of this party was to enter the Legislative Council to oppose the unjust government policies. Coming up to the next topic, that is Simon Commission. It was a commission under Sir John Simon. The aim of this commission was to look into the functioning of the constitutional system in India and suggest changes. Main problem with this commission, दैट दिस कमीशन डिड नॉट हैव ए सिंगल इंडियन मेंबर, क्योंकि सारे ब्रिटिश थे। इस कमीशन के लिए जो एक स्लोगन इंडियंस ने दिया था वो था साइमन गो बैक। व्हेन दिस कमीशन अराइव्ड इन इंडिया in 1928, Lala Lajpat Rai died of police injuries in Lahore in 1928. Next is dominion status. This idea was given by Lord Irwin, Viceroy of India, in 1929. Meaning of dominion status means any country or community within the control of the British